This is question 17 on Unit 2 Foundation, June 2011. We've got an equation we've got to solve. One side has got brackets in. So the first thing we need to do is to remove those brackets. So I'm going to keep my 5x add 3 on the left. But over here on the right, I've got 3 lots of x, which I can write down as 3x. Then I've got to add 3 lots of 2. And 3 lots of 2 is 6. So I get 5x plus 3 equals 3x plus 6. That would be worth a method mark, even if you could only do that in the exam. Now, most of my x's are on the left. I've got 5 x's over here and 3 x's over here. And what you really want is no x's at all on one side. So if I take 3x off both sides, everything will still be in balance. So I'm going to take 3x off both sides. Put my equals sign in. On the right, there are now going to be no x's at all. I'm just going to have 6. And on the left, if I have 5x take away 3x, that's 2 x's, and I've still got that plus 3. So I get 2 lots of something, plus 3 is 6. Now if you think about it, what do you add to 3 to get 6? You add 3 to it. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So that 2x must be worth 3. 2x equals 3. Well, if 2 somethings equal 3, what does one of them equal? One of them equals half of 3. One of them equals 1.5. So that's the answer to that question. Part B, we're told that this simplifies to that. Again, the easiest thing to do to start with is to work out, or to get rid rather, of the brackets. So we have 2x plus 16 in brackets, and we have 4x minus 5 in brackets, and those are being added together. So over here, 2 lots of x is 2x, and I'm adding 2 lots of 16 is 32. Over here, 4 lots of x is 4x, and I'm taking away 4 lots of 5 is 20. And I'm adding those bits together. So I've got a 2x here, and I'm adding on a 4x. That gives me 6x. And I've got a 32 here, and a minus 20. 32 minus 20 is 12, plus 12, positive 12. Now, this bit over here then is the same as this. I've got to make it look like that, so I've got to put a bracket in there. So I've got to ask myself, what goes into 6 and also goes into 12? The answer is 6. So 6 is what goes outside my bracket. What do I times 6 by to get x? X. 6 times by x is 6x. Then the plus sign goes in. What do I times 6 by to get 12? The answer is 2. 6 12s are 2. And now if I compare that line with that line, I can find out what a and b are. A is a number in front of the bracket, so that's 6. Then it's an x and a plus, and then b. So b is the number 2. A was 6 and b was 2. And that completes that paper.